Hey guys, it's Lem here again, your tech guide. So yesterday I was at the Samsung store to check out the stock apps for the Samsung Galaxy Watch 4. I did notice when I was scrolling through the menu, I didn't see the ECG, blood pressure, or blood oxygen app in the Watch 4. I did talk to the Samsung rep and he said that these apps will not be available for the Watch 4 in Canada until further notice. I was quite disappointed to find out about these apps not being in the Watch 4, that I almost backed out with my pre-ordering of the Watch 4 40mm black and silver and the classic 42mm black and silver. So what do you guys think about this, guys? Do you think it's worth upgrading from your previous Samsung Active 2 or Watch 3 without these essential health apps? Leave me a comment down below what you guys think.